projects. Well, Nigel and I, behind the scenes, have been working on a little project, what Nigel thought about. And it's basically getting together the different projects what we're involved with within Leicestershire, which is in England, UK. And the idea behind the project is that the different different groups can be made aware of the other groups. Sometimes they may not know that they're on their back door, you know. And
yeah, we're both involved with quite a few different groups of volunteers doing outdoor stuff, clearing waste ground and setting up orchards and growing things, that sort of thing. And a lot of these groups are full of really enthusiastic volunteers, and they're the sort of people who like to know about other groups that are doing similar things, because perhaps they would like to spend a bit more time doing that sort of thing. And so we set up this website so that if you're aware of one of the groups and you look at the site, you'll become aware of the others. The ones that we're putting on at the moment are simply the ones we're involved with and which we're filming. But we are presumably going to be involved with other groups in the future, and as we get to learn more about other groups, then we'll be adding those to the site.
yeah.
Shall I give them the web address of
Yes,
that?
yeah. Please.
Yeah, so if you're interested in that, this is the web address. It's Leicestershire Gardening Network.co.uk.
And this is going to be a very big site, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
We've
We've only just started, and there are only a few pages at the moment. But basically it's going to have a little bit of information about each of the groups involved, and then lots of videos, lots of filming.
Yeah.
So we're hoping
so there'll be child pages underneath each of these different projects what we're involved with, plus Growing with Julie, which is Julie's allotment. I came up, by the way, with this Growing with Julie. It wasn't just to do with growing. It was growing as a person.
Oh yes, I saw that on your introduction to your pages.
It's not mentioned actually on we've taken it off, but that was where that came about. I was trying to think of something what would incorporate my gardening and my art, and that's how it came.
Oh yeah, because we do lots of you do lots of artistic videos, don't you?
Yeah,
and we do the brewing together.
Yeah,
the winemaking.
And so basically a lot of this stuff's going to go on this site as well. Well, the winemaking and that is. I'm not sure about the art, whether I might put that on or not. We'll see how it may be if it's related to the gardening side. If we're doing taking pictures of flowers from the allotment and then photographing that will probably go on its own page. But the rest of the stuff, what's not really related, I'll leave off. Yeah,
the groups that we've put on so far. We've got Coates Batch Organic Gardens, which supplies organic produce. They're based in the Lutterworth area. We've got Botcherston Farm, which is known as Raw and Pure. They're organic growers as well.
They've got 11 acres.
Yeah, they're the biggest organic growers in the county, we believe, or the biggest suppliers of organic produce to customers. Then we've got the little orchard at Foxton, the Foxton Locks Orchard Project. Leicestershire Heritage Apples, which I run with Mel Wilson and with Alison.
Yeah, you must mention you've got, 1,500 pages on there.
Oh yeah, that's not just apples though, I do radio drama as well.
Of course you do, yeah.
But there's an awful lot of apple pages there too. I know you've mentioned
Growing with Julie, yeah.
And there's another important group, Grafters and Growers, run by Judith Egan in Market Harborough. And she's setting up, or has set up already, a virtual orchard where Leicestershire varieties are being put into people's gardens and mapped. And she has will have eventually a map of where all these different Leicestershire apples are spread across the county.
Now, one of the issues that some of these, projects, what they have is they might have the organic and growing skills, but not necessarily the IT skills. So therefore, when we film at some of these projects, we're able to get the information onto this website quicker than what they...
Oh yes.
Because they're probably, in some cases, maybe relying on a web designer to...
Well, that's very common. It's quite common to have a group of volunteers where the website is run by somebody that nobody knows. It's a person behind a desk that probably is not involved in the outdoor work that goes on. Not always, but quite often.
Yeah.
So the updates are few and far between.
Yeah.
When that happens.
Yeah.
So we hope to be involved in filming lots of other groups at some point.
We are actually doing some filming next month, aren't we? On the...
Is that the...
Botcheston.
Oh yes, that's right, at Botcheston. The orchard project is making progress there, and we're having a planting day in November, I believe.
On this month?
It's October, so...
Oh no, it's not. We've got the meeting for the community gardens this...
That's right, yeah, but that's entirely different.
That's a difference, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I think
I think that's basically it.
That's
folks,
it, yeah.
Isn't it?
I think that's all I've got to say.
We just thought we'd let you be aware of this, and please take a look. And
yeah, I'll hold it up again so that people can find it easily at the end of the video. They are. Leicestershire Gardening Network.co.uk.
And we are hoping that we know we've got people who can watch our videos but are unable to comment. There'll probably be some way of communicating on the website in the future. It's not there at the moment.
Yeah, but yeah, we're
trying to accommodate our viewers. Okay then, folks.
Okay,
thanks a lot.